This lesson is on exponential functions. In solving exponential equations, you want to make sure that the bases are the same. Then you want to set the exponents equal to each other once you have the same base. Alright, so these two exponents have the same base, so we can set the exponents equal to each other. And then solve for r by adding r to both sides and then dividing by 2. We get r equals -1/2. Here we want to rewrite 625 as an exponent with a base of 5, so we want to factor 625. We can rewrite 625 as 5 to the 4th power. So now that we have the same base, we can set the exponents equal to each other. We get -2n equals 4, so n equals -2. Okay, first thing we want to do here is rewrite 81 as n squared. And then, since we're raising the n squared to the negative b power, we just multiply those exponents. So that's going to give us -2b in the numerator. -2b, 9 to the -2b over 9 to the -2b is just going to be 9 to the 0 power, which is just 1. And 1 does not equal 81, so there's no solution. Next, we want to rewrite the 625s and the 125s as exponents. 625 we can rewrite as 5 to the 4th power. 125 we can rewrite as 5 to the 3rd power. And then we want to rewrite that 1 over 5 to the 4th power as 5 to the -4th power. And then when we multiply those two exponents with the same base, we're going to add the exponents. -4 plus -6x is -4 minus 6x, or -6x minus 4. Now that the bases are the same, we just set the exponents equal to each other. Solve for x, and we get -6x equals 8. So x equals -8 over 6, or -4 over 3. Alright, we want to rewrite 36 as an exponent with a base of 6. So 36 is 6 squared. So 2 times -2a minus 3 is going to be -4a minus 6. And now when we multiply 6 to the -1 power times 6 to the -4a minus 6 power, we're going to add those exponents. -1 plus -6 is -7, so that's going to give us 6 to the -4a minus 7. Now that the bases are the same, set the exponents equal to each other. We get -4a minus 7 equals 2. Add 7 to both sides and then divide by -4. We get a equals -9 over 4. And now we want to rewrite the 16 and the 64 as an exponent with a base of 2. 16 can be rewritten as 2 to the 4th power. 64 can be rewritten as 2 to the 6th power. So 2 to the 4th power raised to the -2k power would be 2 to the -8k. And then 2 to the 6th power raised to the -3k minus 2 power is going to be -18k minus 12. And then we want to multiply those two exponents with the same base. So we're going to add the exponents. -8k plus -18k is going to be -26k. Now that we have the same bases, we just set the exponents equal to each other. Solve for k. Add 26k to both sides, and then divide both sides by 27. K equals -12 over 7.